Welcome back to the Teacher's Tech Bar. Today we're going to be talking about how to use Google Hangouts Meet. And this app's going to be great for hosting a class remotely or having students that can't make it to school but may still want to be involved in class. They can call into your class if you've started one of these meetings, or if you're out sick or need to tend to one of your kids and want to call into class, you can begin a meeting with your entire class from home. So let's go ahead and figure out how to make this work. So I'm on Google Chrome here. You can be on Safari as well, but this is what it looks like from Google Chrome. And what we're going to do in here from the main Google homepage is look at these 9 squares on the top right. Click on those, and you're going to find Meet, which is this one here. If it doesn't show up there, it's going to be somewhere down below, and just click on that. Now it's really nice here because there's not too many options, so you're either going to start a new meeting or you're going to use a meeting code to join one. And as the teacher, you're going to be the one starting the meeting. So I'm going to start a new meeting. And what I want to do on the right side here is join the meeting. So I'm going to be the host. I'm going to join. And as I join, this screen pops up to get the information that I'm going to share with other people. If I want to just email everyone, I can add people right here. And because we have Gmail here, I can just start typing in the names of my students. I could also copy and paste from the roster on Podium with the commas in between each of them, and then put them right in here, and then I'll invite everyone. Or if they show up and I would say I want to invite Kim, I can just click that right there. And what she will receive is an email that has the information to join this meeting. The information being a link to click on or an access code to join. The easiest way for people to join the meeting will be a link. It'll send them that invite. They'll see a link and it'll say click on this link, and boom, they'll be up and running on your call. It's pretty straightforward. When you see it here, you can click on the camera. I'm not going to do that right now because you don't need to see me again in this video. And I'm also can turn on and turn off the microphone, so you may want to instruct your students on what to do in that regard. But as more people join, you'll start to see everyone's photos or their live feed of their video appear here. If you want to send the information again, click on more details on the bottom left, and you can just copy that joining info and then send it via email or Podium or however you communicate electronically with your students. I think the real power of this comes not just from the fact that you can have a web conference with your students, but you can share your other screens. So if you're I'm on the computer right now, so I could share, a Quizlet, I could share any website, anything that can appear on my computer screen, I can share with the students. So I think this is where you can use your creativity to enhance your class by adding that element to that. And you do it by pressing Present Now. And what it's going to give you the option of doing is either presenting the entire screen or a particular window. I only have one window open right now, which would be this one. So as I click on that and share it with the whole group that's on the meeting, they would see what I'm have on my screen. So if you typically project something during class, this is going to be the way that you can project something here. I'll make a separate video where we talk through how to use the iPad, and if you typically write on the board, that's where the iPad is going to be really helpful, because you could present your iPad screen and switch over to Notability and start just writing on Notability as you would on the whiteboard. The students all can do the exact same thing, so they can present back to you. So if you want to have them work on a worksheet and then share their work with the entire class, whatever that may be, they can all do that as well. And you also have a feature here where, let's say you're talking and you want them to ask questions, they can just start typing in a message, and that message will appear in the chat feature on everyone's screen. All right, so that is how you start a meeting. That is how you conduct a meeting with the basic features. But again, how you utilize the time, how you utilize the Present Now feature is also going to be something that you can talk about with your department as you look to design your class for teaching remotely. All right, so that is Google Hangouts Meet on the computer.